Okay, so I want to show you guys how to test your ammonia level is the cheapest way possible in your aquaponics system. So from like pet store, PetSmart, Petco, whatever, I pick up this ammonia test kit for fresh water. It's just a few dollars, and that comes with, let's see, it comes with two different solutions. You got ammonia test bottle 1 or test solution 2. You have a little test vial, and then you have a color card that will tell you what your ammonia is if it's between 0 and 8 milligrams per liter. And it's very like a rough estimate, but at least it'll let you know if there's ammonia in your system. So we take our sample tube, put it down in the fish tank. I usually like put one in, rinse it out with the water, and then fill it back up. And make sure you get it to, there's a little line on it. Okay, so we've got it filled up to the line. Now it says we take test bottle number 1. And you don't need to shake these, I've been told. So it says do 8 drops, so we will count in 8 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will take that off. We will cap this. Turn it upside down a few times. On the box it does say, it says to wait a minute. I really don't think you need to wait that long. 15 seconds should be fine as long as you turn it upside down a few times. And then we will do test solution number 2. Again, 8 drops of this as well. So we got, this one comes out a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close that back up. Put our cap on, and we will invert it a few times. And it says you're supposed to wait about 5 minutes. If you did have really bad ammonia, you would see it like turn green right away. We'll see what happens to this guy. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes, and you'll see that the test tube has turned green, so there's definitely a fairly significant amount of ammonia present. So we just match it up against our card, and you can see it's obviously it's pretty close to about 4, which means it's probably somewhere between 3 and 6. But 4 is a pretty good number that we can estimate, so if you can see that, it's about 4. So that's not good, but you'll generally see this when you're waiting for your biofilter to develop. So what you can do, if you wanted to add a dechlorinator, you could do that. That helps get rid of the ammonia, believe it or not. Or you can just do like a half water change. But either way, I mean, eventually the ammonia will go down. So if you do have fish in here, hopefully you don't have like a ton of fish, so we're not concerned about like losing them, but they should be able to do okay if they're a hardy fish like tilapia. Or if you're just adding regular ammonia to your system, this would be normal either. So anyway, hope you enjoyed learning how to test your ammonia the simplest method possible. Have a good one.